I've talked about how I'm taking this summer to get started with making my own music, but it was tough to find that my piano skills have rusted after about 2 decades of neglect. As I was looking around for apps to sharpen my skills, I came across an app called Melodics. I'll cut to the chase. Even though the subscription is about $150 Canadian for the year, I paid it after just a few days of trying the trial. It's that much fun, and it's helping. Melodics is an app that's available for your desktop and your iPad. It helps you to learn 3 different kinds of instruments: keyboard, drums, and pad controllers. Melodics gamifies the process. You log in with your account each day, pick which type of instrument that you want to play, and run through fun lessons that feel a bit like playing Rock Band, the video game. You'll see a scrolling track on screen with indicators on which buttons to press, hitting them in time with both the music and the play bar. Hit the wrong notes, play too early or too late, and you'll get docked points. But when you're in the groove, you'll hit a streak. That gets you more points. Do well, you pass the level and build your skills. I'm only a few weeks in, but I can already see the difference. Melodics says that with just 5 minutes of practice a day, you'll see improvement, and I believe them. The music's fun. There are songs from lots of different genres like techno, soul, dancehall, pop, reggae, house, and EDM. I'm playing with both my M32 keyboard from Native Instruments and my pad controller. It's a MIDI Fighter 3D from DJ Tech Tools. The pad controller lessons are a ton of fun, and I'm learning a skill that I've been able to take directly into my Logic Pro digital audio workstation as I'm making new music. The most fun part for me is how Melodics is gamified overall. I have an account with a personal avatar where I can keep track of all of the lessons that I've played. I get stars for being more accurate, and I unlock more lessons just by playing. After hitting a streak of logging in for a few days, Melodics also sent me some free digital instruments that I can use in Logic, and I get toast from the software celebrating when I hit goals or milestones. Melodics isn't cheap, but when you consider the cost of in-person lessons and how that's just not possible right now in the summer of 2020, it's a great way to learn new skills, or if you're like me, find out that they're not gone after all.